You see, cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance.
In this video, we'll learn from Barbara O'Neill, a renowned health expert, who emphasizes the body's incredible natural ability to heal itself. Today, we'll dive into her top detox drinks for liver health. Did you know that a healthy liver is essential to protecting your body against diseases like cancer? Barbara O'Neill runs the Living Springs Retreat, a wellness center focused on detoxing and revitalizing the body. One of the main goals of her program is to help the body cleanse and renew, making use of various detoxifying drinks.
You see, cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance. So a few facts on the liver. The liver is the largest internal organ in the body, and the liver is the only organ in the body that has the ability to regrow. So environmental poisons coming into the body, everything goes straight to the liver. And if it's toxic, the liver says, whoa, nasty guy, wrap him up in fat and store him. And if the liver looks at it and says, no, we can break that down to a state that can be easily released, that is what it will do.
In this video, we're sharing 9 of Barbara's recommended drinks, complete with recipes so you can easily make them at home. Number 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is one of Barbara's most frequently recommended detox drinks.
Lemon, the humble lemon, has a great tonic effect. Lemon is one of the best tonics for the liver. So having a warm lemon water in the morning has a nice tonic effect on the liver. Also, lemon alkalizes the tissues, so it's a nice drink to have in the morning to help the tissues alkalize.
Lemon water is one of Barbara's most frequently recommended detox drinks. It's simple yet powerful. Lemon not only boosts liver function but also aids in natural detoxification. Concerned about acidity, Barbara assures us that lemon, though acidic, has an alkalizing effect in the body. Preparation. Just add a few slices of fresh lemon to a cup of hot water, and you're ready to go.
I would have a look at when it was drunk, how it was drunk. Sometimes if too much is drunk all at once, there can be the feeling of it coming up. So I would suggest to that person, try sipping that glass of lemon water over maybe 20 minutes instead of drinking it all at once and seeing if that makes a difference. Sometimes if lemon water is taken too close to a meal, it can cause that. So I would investigate to find out when they were taking it and how they were taking it.
Number 2. Aloe lemon water. At Barbara's retreat, guests start the day with aloe lemon water.
You only had aloe lemon water this morning.
Aloe supports gut health, easing inflammation in the digestive tract, while lemon detoxifies the liver. Preparation. Mix fresh lemon slices with a bit of aloe vera juice in a cup of warm water. Number 3. Dandelion tea. Dandelion is another of Barbara's recommended herbs for liver health. It can be used in salads or enjoyed as a tea to support liver detoxification.
You might have heard the old saying, bitter to the mouth, sweet to the stomach, and sweet to the mouth, bitter to the stomach. Well, you apply that to the liver. Bitter to the mouth, a sweet tonic to the livers. Now, there are a couple of herbs that you might be interested to know that specifically have a tonic effect on the liver. So let's look at some bitter herbs. Dandelion. Dandelion is a well-known liver herb. How can we eat the dandelion?
Preparation. Use fresh or dried dandelion leaves to brew a cup of tea or toss some leaves into your next salad.
Well, there's a recipe in Europe. They make this wonderful hot potato salad. They cook the potatoes and then they chop them up hot into hunks, and then they chop up heaps of dandelion, and then they put lots of olive oil, crushed garlic and salt. Just imagine that. Doesn't that sound yum? Now what you can also do, you can buy the dandelion root that's been roasted. So that's like a dandelion coffee. And you can buy a delicious drink in the health food shop, and we sell it at Misty, called chai dandelion. A lot of people will drink chai tea, but the tea, of course, has the tannin and the caffeines in it. But chai dandelion is a delicious drink. A lot of people don't like herb teas because they say they're tasteless and bland. Not chai dandelion. Chai dandelion is a delicious drink, and it has a whole lot of herbs and spices with it to give it that beautiful flavour. You can have the fresh dandelions scattered through your salads, or you can make your hot potato salad with lots of dandelion in it. The leaves or you can buy the dandelion root roasted and have that as a hot drink.
Number 4. Milk thistle tea.
Also St. Mary's thistle. St. Mary's thistle is also called milk thistle.
Milk thistle is well known for its liver protective benefits. It's easy to find and even easier to make at home. Preparation: steep 1 teaspoon of milk thistle seeds or leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain if needed and enjoy. Number 5. Gentian root tea.
Gentian, this is not as well known. Gentian is also an incredibly bitter herb.
Gentian is a potent herb that Barbara recommends for liver and digestive health. Known for its bitter compounds, it helps stimulate digestive enzymes. Preparation: steep 1 to 2 grams of dried gentian root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink it 30 minutes before meals. Number 6. Ginger and apple juice.
And a sweet bitter is ginger. So your 10 o'clock juice, which is Granny Smith apple and ginger, I think it's one of the nicest, has a nice stimulating effect to the blood.
Ginger is a versatile detoxifier, helping to cleanse the liver and promote circulation. Barbara's recipe pairs ginger with apples for an added nutrient boost.
Well, at Living Springs we do juices every 2 hours. The main juice is 80% carrot, 10% apple, 10% celery. And that can be taken every 2 hours. Sometimes we add a bit of cucumber, sometimes we add a few more greens, sometimes we add a bit of ginger, sometimes a little bit of beet or beetroot. So we alternate the juices a little bit. So 2 days on juices is a great detox.
Colon tea.
Preparation: blend 1 to 2 apples with a small piece of ginger and a splash of lemon juice. Add water for your preferred consistency. Number 7. Colon tea. Barbara emphasizes the importance of a healthy colon for liver detox. A well-functioning colon helps reduce the liver's detox load, allowing it to focus on more essential processes.
So if you're not evacuating every day, please see the staff and they'll give you a little bit more of the colon tea. And the herbs that we offer you are herbs in the form of colon tea. We call it colon tea because they are herbs that gently stimulate, revive and restore the function of the colon.
Preparation: mix 1 part Cascara sagrada bark, 2 parts licorice root, and 3 parts buckthorn bark. Simmer 1 teaspoon in a cup of water for 30 minutes. Let it cool and strain. Number 8. Protein drinks. Amino acids and proteins are crucial for the liver's detoxification process, especially in phase 2. Barbara's protein-rich drinks are designed to provide the liver with essential substrates for detoxification.
So phase 2 needs protein. Now this explains why yesterday on Monday we gave you 2 protein drinks. So you had 5 juices yesterday. Your 8 o'clock one was green barley, 10 was the protein, 12 was green barley, 2 was protein, and your 4 was green barley. Because yesterday your requirements for antioxidants exceeded your liver's requirements for protein. So the protein that we use is a pea protein. It's been pre-digested. One lady said, "Who digested it?" It's an enzyme action, like taking milk to yogurt. That initial breakdown has begun. Remember what the protein does? It mops up those toxic metabolites.
Preparation: add a protein source to your morning smoothie, such as hemp seeds, chia seeds, or a clean protein powder to support liver detox. Number 9. Glutathione boosters. For Barbara, glutathione is a cornerstone of liver health. It's an antioxidant that helps the liver process toxins effectively.
Green barley or liquid chlorophyll is one of the most potent blood and tissue cleansers there is. So it cleanses the tissues and also heavy metals. So if someone is detoxing from either of these, I would advise taking the chlorophyll or the green barley or some form 3 or 4 times a day. So it depends on what the problem is.
Preparation: incorporate foods rich in sulfur, like garlic, broccoli, and onions, or add glutathione supplements under a health professional's guidance. And there you have it, Barbara O'Neill's 9 top liver detoxifying drinks. Your liver plays a crucial role in protecting your body.
Remember, the liver is a recoverable organ, and if you give it the right conditions, it can begin to recover.
So treating it well with these detox drinks can go a long way. Try adding one or more of these into your daily routine to support your liver health naturally. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to Healthy Secrets for more health tips.